Hi friends, today I'm going to share a amazing trick. Okay, this is really amazing. I was shocking after knowing this trick. Okay, everyone will has to get like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. If it is 20, 20th, 23rd, see, here you can see 23rd RD. I'll zoom out more little bit, see. Okay, here it's very easy. I really shocked after watching this. So if you want to fill a series of numbers with the superscript like ST, ND, RD, TH, like that. Okay. Every time you have to go over there and you have to type and you have to go to format, then go to option called superscript. So no need of that. Okay, no need of that. Only once is enough. See how I'll do. Here you have to use one SD. Okay, first thing. See what I'll do. I'll copy this one. Observe clearly what I'm doing. Control 1. Superscript. Still here, everyone will know. Okay. Superscript, everyone know. Okay. Enter. But if you drag this, see the magic. Okay. See, if you want to fill still 100, go to fill option. Here series is there. Go to here and press 100 columns, not rows, it's a columns and click OK. Okay, sorry, I have forgot once. Here also you can go fill series. Okay, here it is. Fill series, select first one. It has to come. I don't know why it's not coming. I think somewhere I went wrong. Columns, 100. Okay, it has to come. Yes, again I keep here and I'll try series, columns, 100. They're also not coming. I selected also. See, I selected. And again, I'm doing these three methods I'm doing, but I don't know where I went going wrong. The procedure is correct. See, why it's not coming? It has to come. See, I delete it. First of all, I delete it. And again, I'll go there. Fill series, columns, 100. It has to come. Where I'm going wrong? So better go like this only. 21st C. Automatically, it will take the superscript 23rd C. Okay. I don't know. So is anyone is there to prompt me that how I have to do fill series? Here again I'm going. Okay, I'm keeping here self fill series 100. Sorry, one here one only tab because still now I have not used these type of ribbon functions. Okay, for that reason I'm unable to get that solution. Every time I will use formula for each and everything. See, it's not coming. I don't know where it went wrong. I don't know why, but the procedure is correct only, but somewhere I'm lacking. For that reason, please help me in this. Linear only autofill 100 has to come. See, why it's not coming? I'm not able to understand. Please help me out this. Thank you guys. Thanks for supporting